Hello students. Now in this session we are going to look at soil testing. Now farmers earlier, though they were very much experienced in cultivating the soil, that is in cultivating on the soil, that means which soil is more suitable for which particular crop. Okay. Now with experience they used to get knowledge. Okay. Now these days what the farmers are doing is, the farmers, though they are not very experienced, but science has become more advanced in the field of agriculture. Okay. So when science has become more advanced in the field of agriculture, the farmers experience in identifying the soil, okay, and the effort that he has to put to select which crop he can grow to get a better yield has reduced, or it has streamlined itself. Okay, right? So a farmer, if he wishes to cultivate a particular crop, okay, now he has to get the soil tested. Okay, he has to take the sample of a soil, okay, and he has to go to Bhusara Pariksha Kendra. Okay, Bhusara means what? Bhu means earth. Sara means what is the nutrients that soil is containing. Sara. Okay, right? And then Pariksha means, Pariksha, testing. Kendra means center. So Bhusara Pariksha Kendra is nothing but your soil testing center. Okay, Bhusara Pariksha Kendra is soil testing center. Okay, right? Now what does this Bhusara Pariksha Kendra do? It actually helps farmer to select the type of crop, the manure, fertilizer, etc. Okay, so it helps the farmer to select all these. Okay, not these are only few, but there are many other factors which the Bhu Pariksha Kendra suggests the farmer to do. Okay, but these are some of the main things that are required. Okay, so they help the farmer to select the type of crop, the manure he should use, or the fertilizer he should use to increase the yield of the crop that he is going to plant. Okay, now what is the function of this soil testing center or the Bhusara Pariksha Kendra? The function is, it will take the soil sample, okay, it will analyze it through scientific methods. Okay, it will analyze it through scientific methods. That is, say for example, one of the scientific method used in the Bhusara Pariksha Kendra is high performance liquid chromatography. Okay, so soil testing center will use this high performance liquid chromatography, or in short term it is called as HPLC. I'll write it here for you. HPLC. Okay, which is high performance liquid chromatography. Okay, so when a sample is loaded into this machine, now HPLC is a machine. Okay, so when it is loaded, that machine actually categorizes that particular sample. So what are the contents of that particular soil sample which the farmer has brought to the Bhusara Pariksha Kendra? So this machine will analyze as to what are the nutrients available in that particular soil. Okay, so based upon the result given by HPLC, okay, HPLC is one of the criteria. There are many other techniques in which the person who is testing the soil uses, or the scientist who is testing the soil uses. Okay, so after reading all the analysis, after getting all the results from his experiments, okay, now the scientist will suggest the farmer, okay, so and so X, your farm is rich in this nutrient, this macronutrient, this micronutrient, okay, and depending on that, say for example, you can grow some particular plant in that. So that growing of that plant will give you better yield. Okay, so if a farmer gets his soil testing done, he is at an advantage because he will be clear-cutly understanding what crop he has to grow and how he has to grow, okay, in what manner he has to grow. Everything will be told by the Bhusara Pariksha Kendra person, okay, in which way that he has to water the plant, okay. Now experienced farmers will know it, but young farmers who are there who are not that experienced, Bhusara Pariksha Kendra will help them to cultivate the land in a effective manner, okay. Excuse me, okay. So whatever nutrients that the Bhusara Pariksha Kendra suggests, if the farmer uses it, the yield of that particular crop which is growing, it will increase. So automatically if the yield increases, the selling rate of that particular crop also increases. In order, then the farmer is getting benefited. So which is the primary criteria for the Bhusara Pariksha Kendra. That means the farmer has to benefit, okay, right? So if it is advisable that a farmer gets the soil testing done at the soil testing center so that he can understand what crop he can grow in his land, okay, right? So I hope you have understood this soil testing part, okay. I'll hope to see you in the next class. Thank you.